there you go, guys. They're putting it in. That's the last piece of the puzzle. My wife's bay window. She loves that window. I actually like it too. But I get all of this done prior to me going to Manila, and I know she'll be okay. She'll be happy and feel safe here. But that's the last piece of the puzzle, guys. I love what these guys did to the house. You know, they're gonna clean it up today and do some touch up. I know they're gonna do that, but other than that, I love the blue. I love the color. My wife chose the color. And I'm still trying to figure out where Starlink is gonna go. Don't know if I'm gonna mount it up on the roof there because it's very clear, and I'm thinking right there in that corner, right there. Or depending on which generation I get. Now they have generation 3 and they have a generation 2. The 2 automatically swivels, 3 does not. And depending on the mount that you buy, you know, I could almost put that thing, hell, I don't know. I could almost just put it out here in the yard and just take it in as needed. But I just feel relieved this is all done. These guys got this done in 9 days, and yeah, obviously the yard is still a mess, but I can deal with that as long as the house is back secure now again, so we're good. Okay, talk to you guys in a bit. Peace. Good afternoon. Me and my little girl here, Janica. Say hi. Eating her ice cream. Say hello. Hi. That's very sweet. It's my princess, guys. So, day 9. The job is complete. The only thing that's left now is my wife and I cleaning up our yard and all the stuff that we probably don't need. Got a lot of stuff to burn, a lot of stuff to throw away. I'm gonna flip it around and show you guys the results, okay? Check this out. Okay, there it is. My daughter's still waving at you guys. And there's the other boss of the house, the one that's sweeping the yard over there. She acts like she's not the boss. She acts like she's not on film, but she is. She knows. Say hi, babe. So that's the result of 9 days of construction, replacing terrible wood, terrible mistake on my part, with solid, well-made HF hollow block. It's beautiful. It's all designed by my wife. Her colors, she chose those herself, and it works really well. And as I said, I got a lot of extra wood that I'm gonna probably sell or get rid of at some point in time, but we've just got a lot to do here in the next couple of weeks. I am actually getting ready to head to Manila to pick up my 13A visa. Gonna flip it back. Head to Manila and pick up my 13A visa. We're also gonna pick up our new Starlink for internet. As you guys remember, I've said several times in my previous vlogs, I'm sick of Globe, I'm sick of Smart, I'm sick of PLDT. Just a waste of money. That's not a knock on the Philippines. We love the Philippines. I just don't like the internet services that they have to offer here. So with that being said, like I said, I'll take you guys as I travel here between now and tomorrow. Gonna be heading out and gonna spend a few days in Manila, get what I need to do, and come on back here. And just to show you, I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna switch back around here because Starlink requires a clear sky to where there's no trees, no obstructions, I guess you could say, basically. And we actually have a beautiful skyline here with no trees, no obstructions at all. So I'm gonna flip around and show you guys that as well. There you go. It's my roof. No trees there. Just here in the yard with me. Yep, it's overcast, rainy again today. And again, I gotta brag about that blue tower right there. That's one of the best investments I think I ever made. That's our own water, well water. And we have no water bill here in the Philippines. Thank God for that, because well, I won't even get into that. But anyway, check out my next vlog. Billy P is headed to the Manila, looking to pick up his 13A visa, permanent 13A visa, and our internet Starlink. Okay, chat with you guys soon. Take care. Thanks for coming along the ride while these guys did this magnificent job at I guess you could say remodeling the old wood for new hollow block. Okay, take care, guys. Peace.